Just 5 minutes of this very exercise a day can help you get a slim waist and slim thighs. Aren't you just done with and had enough of not being able to wear your favorite clothes, not being able to flaunt your figure, keep scrolling and looking at other people's transformations, only wishing you could be the same? You have a lifetime opportunity with this very easy, doable, beginner-friendly exercises which you can do in the comfort of your own home. No need to go to the gym. And it's all free of cost because I'm going to share this very 5 minutes daily exercise with you which you can do on a daily basis, persistently, consistently, till you get a slim waist and slim thighs. So if you're a plus size, be it double XL, triple XL, 4XL, 5XL, comment below and let me know what is your current size because I'm going to help you fit into a medium size. And that's what we all want. You don't have to do any strenuous exercises because you're going to hurt your knees for God's sake. You have to do easy, doable, beginner-friendly and sustainable exercises to be able to fit into your favorite pair of jeans. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin. God, didn't you just enjoy this fabulous workout with me? It was super fun, super awesome. But if you think just 5 minutes a day is not enough for you, of course you can do it together. If you think doing it just once a day is not enough for you, of course you can do it in the evening too. So don't give up on your dreams and don't think you can achieve results overnight. Let's do it together every single day, persistently, consistently, to see that dream body. Many people who've joined my weight loss program have seen magnificent results with these very exercises when paired with clean eating and balanced meals. That's the magic of exercise and clean eating together. Because if you want the same results, you actually need to follow certain recipes so that you end up getting a balanced meal through the day. All your macros and your micros, your protein, your carbs, your fats, your fiber intake, and your vitamins and minerals, which is all going to come together from the food that you eat. That's what is the fuel for your body. How can you neglect it? So please avoid high salty foods, processed foods, junk foods, too much of sugar, all these sugary drinks to be avoided completely. But if you're looking for a paid customized diet plan, feel free to click on the link given in the description below and you can join my weight loss program. The good thing about a paid customized diet plan is that you will actually get everything, including the diet plan to the exercise to the daily workouts, all according to your needs. Your daily timings if you're working, if you're not working, and even if you're working from home. Also including and keeping in mind your likes, your dislikes. So whatever be the tantrums, we are ready to take it. Bring it on. Let's make you lose weight and let's see your transformation. Don't forget to click on the link below given in the description. And I have a big news for all of you. Now I have my own personalized dietitian Natasha Mohan mobile application. Yes, you heard that right. A mobile app which you can download in your phones. Do it right away. And I'm going to be there for you to guide you. You will get lots of recipes, all sorts of information regarding your daily diet, your daily nutrition. It's all on the app. Let's download it right now. And for next week, I'll see you soon with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.